Pho is a Vietnamese soup dish consisting of broth, rice noodles, herbs, and meat, usually beef, and sometimes chicken if you suck. In Vietnam, pho is served in households, street stalls, and restaurants. Personally, I have pho at least 2 to 3 times a month as it's one of my all-time favorite comfort foods. So to watch Jamie Oliver absolutely destroy Vietnam's national dish is heartbreaking. And now we gotta watch Uncle Roger recreate it too? How's it gonna be? Well, we already know it's so let's watch this house burn down together, shall we?